What is up, everybody? Hunter
and Derry.
Lost Socket Garage. Now, you might be wondering why we're not cutting a car in half right now. Derry, why are we not cutting a car in half right now?
Because we're at lunch.
We're at lunch. Why are we at lunch?
10,000 subs.
10,000 subscribers. So after this, I'm going to roll a little highlight reel from the beginning, give you guys a little glimpse into the past if you're a new subscriber. But first off, we just wanted to say a big thank you for the support. Derry, you pumped we at 10,000 subs?
I am a little pumped, yeah.
Yeah, you should be. We're kind of famous now. So
10,000's a lot of people.
10,000 subs and to the next 90,000. Salud. What is up, world? My name is Hunter. Wanted to start doing a couple of videos. The idea behind this video is this is the journey. So I wanted to take some of you on my journey to start a business. So I wanted to do a little video about my first car, and it was a doozy. My first car was a Chevy. Yeah, screw you, Ford. 91 Chevy Corsica, 3.1 liter V6. 91 Chevy Corsica. That's what started it all.
So I just got into my hotel in Trento. Tiny little hotel. I really feel like it's one of the hotels that could be like haunted or something. Because it's like long, creepy hallways.
I don't really know what that one's for, but I know what that one's for.
All right, here in Zurich, my little room.
Rubbing those Audis. God damn. My dude. Roadkill Nights!
Took everything out of a Hellcat, threw it in a Charger.
Okay, so you could say things escalated quickly. Motherfucker. This is going to be a real short video because we hit a milestone. I just want to talk about it a little bit. We hit over 100 subscribers, and for a small channel like mine, that's a big deal. It's a big deal for me because I do love this channel.
Final bets? Final bet.
I'm saying, girl! Girl!
What is up, everyone? Hunter with Lost Socket Garage. Today, it's a very exciting day. We're picking up a new project to find out what she is.
1967 El Forte El Mustango. We are planning to do a fastback conversion to it, utilizing Dynacorn parts. All right, here we are, balls deep into the fun part. You'll notice a couple of things are missing.
It actually drives really nice. So after this test drive, what we're going to do, we're going to go back to the shop, clean her up a little bit, and then take a look at how the paint turned out.
Look at that. Clear coat over top the rust. Got a beautiful patina. Save this as a time capsule. Look at this. Check out this hood. Doesn't that look nice? Nice and shiny. She runs great. She's all shined up. And most importantly, we wanted to send out a massive thank you. We are almost at 1,200 subscribers. What is up, everybody? This is Hunter with Lost Socket Garage. Wanted to take a quick second and walk you around our 67 that we just finished. I love this car, but the best thing about this car is the way it sounds. Just wanted to do a special video here. It's a video everyone's been asking for. It's the measurement video. Before we get into it though, I just want to say a big thank you. We have 2,000 subscribers, approaching 3,000. So it's really cool. I'm glad you guys are following along. Got this awesome little piece of history here. This is a 68 Ford Mustang Coupe. Notice it's still a coupe. We didn't turn it into a fastback. The reason we didn't turn it into a fastback is this is a very, very rare car. This car is called the Golden Nugget. It was only made from January to February in 1968, only sold out of the Seattle district. This car is way rare. They only made 481 of these cars out of the 525 that were supposed to be made.
Socket Garage, we pride ourselves on doing stuff. And when you do a lot of stuff, you learn how not to do stuff. And here is a good example on how not to do stuff. Stop patching stuff like this, car community. Stop throwing just a sheet of metal and screwing it to the floor and hoping for the best. And also stop working on your fiberglass resin skills on the floor. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. I want you to show me there's a truck rolling by, so I have to cut this out.
It may hit B-roll.
I wouldn't know what love is.
Hello, this is Hunter with Lost Socket Garage, and today we're taking a look at what to look for. Fuck.
I know how a poop feels. This is Hunter. Welcome to Lost Socket Garage.
Hello, and welcome to Story Time with Lost Socket Garage. I'm your host, Hunter. Get the fuck out. Leave. Go have a dart.
Trying so hard not to make any noise.
Hello, and welcome to Story Time with Lost Socket Garage. I'm your host, Hunter. Today we're going to be looking into another chapter of the book called Coupe to Fastback Conversion. So pour yourself a little whiskey, cuddle up to your broken down project car, and question your life decisions. And join me as we take a look at the viability of Dynacorn pre-made bodies.
What is up, everybody? Hunter with Lost Socket Garage. Today's video, we're going to be covering a lot. We're going to be talking about the famous, infamous Mustang 2 front end. We're going to talk about the history. We're going to talk about why it's been so popular, what companies make it, the kits that we install, and most importantly, we're actually going to be doing an install on the kit that we use. So buckle up, let's get her done.
I just said Oscar and I called her a she. Well, like cars are chicks, you know? And then we name it Oscar. Should we name it like Osket or something? Oscarina? I don't know. We have to be able to hold car manufacturers and their subsidiaries to a higher bar. They legitimately have the safety of you and your family in their hand. And if they can't prioritize safety as number one, then I guess I'll just stick to building cars from an era where quality was just as important as profit. I thought we'd do something different, do a little bit of an employee interview. This is Derry.
Hi.
Derry's my employee. Derry, be honest, when I bought this car, what did you think of this car?
Same thing I think of it now. It's a piece of fucking shit.
I would prefer needs attention.
So we're going to do a conversion in like 4 days on this.
3 days.
3 days?
3 days.
It's in 3 days?
3 days.
Okay, well, we're gonna do a conversion in 3 days.
It's Oscar. Isn't it crazy? This is Oscar. Oscar didn't start off looking like this. Oscar started looking like death.
And today, we hit a massive brick wall with everyone's favorite nugget. So today, we figure out where we're gonna draw the line. So, the golden nugget as it sits right now is done. As it sits.
I expected and honestly encouraged backlash from our last video, and I probably would have let all of it slide with a couple of witty retorts here and there, or maybe some Google facts, but then you said, the moment the top comes off, I'm unsubscribing. Now Daddy's home with the belt. The comment reads as follows. I understand, fuck, we're off to a good start. I understand your specialty is coupe to fastbacks, but to turn a golden nugget into a fastback is just sacrilegious. The moment the top comes off, I'm going to unsubscribe from your channel. Yes, thousands of dollars and years of therapy to deal with this type of shit, but this one gets me on the soapbox. I feel like stupidity should be highlighted. The more we highlight stupidity, the more it's possible that we can beat that stupidity into submission like Darwin intended. We're gonna skip ahead in this comment a little bit, save the best for last. Yes, a golden nugget is worth more than a Shelby. Do you Google it all? The moment the top comes off, I'm going to unsubscribe from your channel. Honestly, I don't give a fuck. So I've been on this planet about 39 years, coming up on 40 years, and I have learned quite a few lessons, definitely not enough. But one of the lessons that I've learned, and I primarily learned this in high school, if a person says, if you do that, then I'm going to do this, 9 times out of 10, you're okay to go ahead and do that because this ain't fucking worth it. So it's gonna be good for you guys that just want to run a really thick radiator, like a 4-core radiator from Take me home to the place I belong. I wanted to put together a little bit of a different video. I wanted to put together a fairly comprehensive list of the most frequently asked questions that we get here at Lost Socket Garage. I wanted to do this in kind of like an interview format. I got this guy.
What's up?
He will be playing the role of you out there in YouTube land.
Thanks. Super honored to be here. I literally had nothing else going on today. How long have you been open? Open. What else do you guys do aside from conversions and waste the internet? Oh, so you are a Ford guy.
All right, next set of questions is about conversions.
Okay, seems like you dodged that last one a little bit, but moving on. Here's a good one. If I bring you my coupe, how much would you charge to convert it?
That's a hard one, because... What'd you say?
If I bring you my coupe, how much would you charge to convert it?
It's pronounced coupe.
Oh yeah? What do you eat when you're sick?
Soup.
Oh yeah? Is there an E in soup?
No, but the word has French origin.
Just tell me the price!
Hey guys. Banana here. Don't I look pretty? I bet it's an appealing costume. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. What is up, everybody? What is up, everybody? This is a song that never ends. Yes, it goes on and on, my friends. Some people started singing it, not knowing what it was, and they'll continue singing it forever just because it. What is up, everybody? Hunter with Lost Socket Garage. You ain't coolin', baby, I ain't foolin'. I'ma take you Mustang shopping. I am so sorry. Okay, here's what I know. What I want to know. Turn sideways. Turn sideways. Can you see Derry on this bike? This hair, wait, Derry's hair. Turn sideways, Derry. This hair just flowing in the breeze, just his little goatee, just doing this, and the wind parting his hair, looking majestic as fuck on this awesome, cool Royal Enfield, which I've never heard of before in my life. All right, that's it for us today, guys. Like, subscribe, share the show, get your merch at LostSocketGarage.com. If you're going to be buying Mustang parts, use the link in the description to CJ Pony Parts. It's where we get all of our shit from. I hope until next time you guys have a wonderful weekend. Do what you love. Don't be a dick. And always, never be tamed. Peace!
Bye.
Dude, this is like...
It's
classy.
Yeah.